Rumors are circulating on social media in regards to lockdown in Goa. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant quashed the rumors about lockdown in Goa. CM said that currently there is no requirement of lockdown in Goa. No lockdown will be imposed in the state. Every individual needs to take safety precautions by maintaining social distancing and wearing of mask. If we maintain this, we will overcome to defeat COVID-19 in the state of Goa. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also requests people of Goa to avoid crowded places and to maintain all the social distancing norms and precautions. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant was talking to media after arriving Goa airport from his recent visit to Delhi. During his Delhi visit, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant met the Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji, Mines Minister Prahlad Joshi ji, and Minister of Petroleum and Steel Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji on the issue of resumption of Goa mining in the presence of Solicitor General Tushar Mehta and Advocate General of Goa Devidas Pangam in New Delhi. CM said that we are hopeful that some solution will be found out in the further deliberation with the central government that will take place immediately. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also met Honorable President of India Shri Ramnath Kovind ji in New Delhi on 28 November and extended a warm invitation to President Kovind for the 59th Goa Liberation Day celebration as we embark upon a new chapter to promote Goa's cultural heritage on the national and global stage. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.